severe thunderstorm warning for Hornet.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Harnett County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lillington, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lillington, Angier, Coates, Raven Rock State Park, Bowie's Creek, and Duncan. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Harnett, North Carolina. This is NOAA Weather
I didn't
Radio.
turn it on in
All
time for it to get the header tones.
WMG 706.
I still got it anyways.
Frequency 106.